Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to talk about how does Terraform actually work. So basically the topic is working of Terraform, how it works. So the thing is like think Terraform as a translator between your code and your cloud provider, whether it's AWS, Azure or GCP. So we'll be writing a code and this code will create an infrastructure for us like servers, databases, storage buckets and so on. So it can be any cloud provider, like either AWS, Azure, or GCP. Okay. So what we do basically, so we start by writing a .tf file. So we create a file with the .tf extension for any Terraform, okay, Terraform file. And in this file, we describe our like requirement, like we describe we need one EC2 instance, one RDS or S3 bucket we need. So basically we describe the infrastructure in this file. So after that we run a few commands. So the command which I'll be telling, keep in mind. So Terraform init. So these are the basic commands which will be used for like every time we'll use this. So Terraform init it is used to initialize the project. Okay. So once we will install the Terraform, then we'll see it. So it is used to initialize the project. Next we have Terraform plan. Okay, what it does, it is used to preview what changes Terraform is about to make. So basically, preview thing like what are the changes going to happen if you will run this particular command. Then we have Terraform apply. So as the name suggests, what it will do, it will basically provision or change your infrastructure or create your infrastructure. So this you can write as provision. Next we have a Terraform destroy. Okay. So why destroy? Suppose you don't want to use your infrastructure after your after some time, like after your shift is over or something like that. So if you don't want to use it and you want to save cost, then in that case you will use the Terraform destroy. What it will do, it will tear it all down. Okay, whatever infrastructure you have created, all will get vanished and deleted. So what interesting is, so interesting part here is Terraform keeps track of what's deployed using something called a state file. Okay, so this is one of the important concepts, state file. So in this, what happens like it's just like a memory, like you can say as the Terraform memory. It knows what resources it has created, and so that it doesn't create any duplicate resource and it doesn't delete any wrong resources. Okay, and it all happens through a provider plugin. So basically we have a provider plugins like we have AWS plugin, Azure and GCP all. So okay, so it works with the provider plugins. We'll see providers in our next classes. So the basically the cycle I will tell you is, the cycle is first we'll write the code, okay, Terraform code, then we have a plan, then we will be applying, then we'll get the infra, then we can track it via state file. Okay, simple enough. So don't worry, we'll do this live in the next video. So but first we'll install the Terraform, and that also in the next video we'll see. Okay, so that's it and see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.